Margadi month 28th day Tirupavai Paasuram 28. கறவைகள் பின்சென்று காணம் சேர்ந்துண்போம் அறிவொன்றும் இல்லாத ஆய்குலத்து உந்தன்னை பிறவி பெருந்தனை புண்ணியம் யாம் உடையோம் குறைவொன்றும் இல்லாத கோவிந்தா உந்தன்னோடு உறவேல் நமக்கு இங்கு ஒழிக்க ஒழியாது அறியாத பிள்ளைகளோம் அன்பினால் உந்தன்னை சிறுபேர் அடைத்தளம் சீறி அருளாதே இறைவா நீ தாராய் பரையேலோ ரெம்பாவாய். In this Paasuram, Andal is answering Krishna. Krishna asked her question that he asked all the girls, what do you all want? You have been praising me in all the Paasuram, that is all the previous days. What do you want? They all said, yes, we want you to accept us. If we want the divine, your divine communion. Then Krishna asked, do you know about bhakti, or have you done surrender to me? So he asked them about all this bhakti, marg, jnana marg, and karma marg, and surrender. And the girls said, no, we don't know anything. We were just rearing our cattle, we take them to the grassland and make them eat, and what all we get, we eat together and we bring them back. This is how our lifestyle is. So we don't know anything other than this. So that we don't know. We are very ignorant. We have no knowledge. And so we know that we are all very lucky that we are in the same community in which you are also born. So you are one among us. So that gives us the happiness. So we know only that. Then Krishna said, no, that is not enough. So he asked about how to the marga, different three paths to reach God, and he was asking about Saranagati. Then Andal said, no, we don't know anything. Kurivondrum illada Govinda. She's calling him as Govinda and said, you are a complete soul, and you are a Paramatma, and we all want to be with you. We don't want to be away from you. We just wish that we should be with you. So it is like Jivatma merging with Paramatma. We don't know anything other than, we don't want anything other than that. If we have done any mistakes, if we have used the names which you don't like, then please excuse us, please forgive us, because we are all innocent, we are ignorant people. So you please don't be angry with us. So please, God, come down. She is calling him as Ireva this time. So she is requesting him to come down to them and bless them. So here in this Paasuram, the main concept is the connection between Jivatma and Paramatma. How Jivatma can get united with Paramatma. So this Paasuram tells us how Sri Ramanuja asked the God to give moksham to the people who are all connected with him. Even in future, you should give moksham to others who are all with the sambandham of the connection of Sri Ramanujan. So it is possible only through Acharyans. So let us learn the meaning of Vedas, meaning of all the mantras, and choose the path of anything. It can be jnana, it can be jnana marg, Bhakti Marga and Karma Marga. And Krishna says about Bhakti Marga in detail in Bhagavad Gita. And those who surrender to Krishna is blessed by Sri Krishna. Krishna accepts the Saranagati of Bhaktas. So that is the most simple one. So that is what Andal talks about in this Pasuram. So this Pasuram explains how Jivatma merges with Paramatma and the importance of Acharyas, and it talks about Sri Ramanuja's Sambandham to attain moksha. So the goal is to attain moksha only. So we need to approach Acharyas who are the ladder for reaching God. So this is what highlighted in this Pasuram.
Today's temple is Ulagalanda Perumal Kovil. Ulagalanda Perumal Temple at Kanchipuram. Kanchipuram has got two divisions, Big Kanchipuram, Small Kanchipuram. This temple is at Big Kanchipuram. Within this temple we have 4 Divya Deshams. So this is very unique. This is the only temple which has got 4 Divya Deshams. And the 4 Divya Deshams are like 4 different Sannadhis, Garbhagraha. So here we find Tiruvuragam, Tirukaragam, Tiruneeragam, Tirukarvanam. These 4 are the Divya Deshams we have within this temple. Tiruvuragam, the Moolavar is Tiruvikraman or Ulagalanda Perumal. Tirukaragam, the Perumal is Karagathu Perumal. He is in sitting posture, he is sitting on Adiseshan. And Moolava Perumal is Karunagara Perumal. The next Divyadesham is Tiruneeragam, Neeragathu Perumal. He is in standing posture. The Uchavarmurti is Jagadishwarar. Tirukarvanam, Moolava is Karvanar. He is in standing position. With Sridevi and Bhudevi. So Tiruvuragam, Tiruneeragam and Tirukarvanam you find Perumal in standing posture, and Tirukaragam we find Perumal in sitting posture. And Tirukaragam, Tiruneeragam and Tirukarvanam, Tirumangaya Alvar performed Mangalasasanam on these 3 Divyadeshams. Tiruvuragam, Tirumangayalvar, Tirumashayalvar and Andal performed Mangalasasanams on the Divyadesham Tiruvuragam. Tiruvuragam has got the main deity Tiruvikraman or Ulagalanda Perumal, and when in that Sannadhi we find the left hand side Uragattan. Uragattan, this Uragattan is in the form of Sesha Roopam, that is in serpent. But here the Abhishekam is done only for Uragattan in this temple, and it is special Abhishekam because the Prasadam is very special. Pal Payasam for the Uragattan, that is for serpents, for the Adiseshan. The Prasadam is Pal Payasam, that is sweet, milk sweet, milk kheer. So this is a speciality. Then we have a separate Sannadhi for Taya, Aranavalli. And you have a Sannadhi where we have darshan of ஆண்டாள், விஸ்வக்சேனர், ஆழ்வார், ஆச்சாரியன்ஸ், Sri Manavala Mamunigal and Garuda. And just opposite to this temple, when you come out, opposite this temple, we find Chaturpuja Anjaneya. He has got 4 hands, 2 hands in the upper position, the other 2 hands the hands are together and he is in a praying position. This Anjaneya is very powerful. Ulagalanda Perumal temple has got Vamana Pushkarani, that is temple tank. Vamana Pushkarani and the Vimanam, the tower portion. Pushpakoti Vimanam. And here Ulagalanda Perumal is connected with Vamana Avataram. In Vamana Avataram, Perumal appears as a very short man, like a dwarf, just 2 feet boy. He comes to attend Maharaja Bali's yagam, because the king announced that he would give anything to the people whoever wants anything. So Perumal comes here, and this Bali Raja had the feeling of I am the best and I am the most generous person on the world, and he took the possession of Devas. So Perumal wanted to teach a lesson to him. So he comes here and asks for 3 feet of land, and the king thought he's a small boy, it won't be much, so just 3 for his height, just 3 feet of land is nothing. But when he said yes, I will give, Perumal revealed himself to Trivikraman, that is, he rises to very tall, and he measures with one leg the land. Then the next step he measures the sky. So he lifts his leg up, and he has no place to measure the 3rd feet. That is, he didn't have anything to measure. So he asked the king, where can I go for the 3rd feet of land? Then the king said, yes, keep your leg on me. And Trivikraman or Ulagalanda Perumal, once he revealed himself to such a tall posture, he was known as Trivikraman or Ulagalanda. He kept his leg on the head of the king. So this is the Vamana Avatara Purana. And in this place we find Ulagalanda Perumal raising his left leg up and keeping 2 hands stretched at the side, and his left hand shows 2 fingers. The 2 fingers are lifted up, and the Perumal conveys that he measured 2 feet of land. Then in right hand he lifts up his 1 finger and shows his 1 finger to us. That shows that he says there is 1 more feet of land to be measured. So he keeps his leg on the head of Bali Chakravarti, the Raja. So in this place we find the right leg of the Perumal is lifted up, whereas in other 2 places where you find Trivikrama Perumal, one is at Tirukkovulur, one is at Sirgadi. There you find Perumal lifts up a right leg. So the reason given here is why left leg is lifted up. This place is Perumal giving moksha to the Raja. So that is why he is keeping. In those two places he measured the land, but here he is giving moksha to the king, because the king accepted that I don't have place. So you do anything. That is, he is surrendering. So Perumal is pushing him down with his leg and giving moksha.